Howdy, all y'alls. I got my new Logitech webcam installed. It's what is it? The C922 Pro HD stream webcam. I've been fiddling with it, so things will change a little bit on it because uh, the lighting in my house is kind of weird, and the see it changes back and forth. I'm not sure if I like that too much because I have everything set on manual. And then you got autofocus. But anyway, the weird thing, the reason why I'm posting actually is because the other day I did a post about changing the turn signal, front turn signal lamps or lenses on my GMC. So I was like, okay, that's really cool and everything like that. And I still have the old lenses that, I might do some, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I shouldn't be a hoarder and should just throw them in my recycle bin. So anyway, yesterday or the day before, I get another big box. Okay, cool. Wow, that was really quick because I'm waiting on some other stuff. And so I have a conundrum because I didn't submit 2 orders. And this is another pair of lenses. And actually, they're identical to what I got. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I know what. I can get another truck so that I can put these on that. How's that sound? Look how bright they are. Reflective. Wow, it's chrome in the back. I think, because my other ones, I don't think they had reflective surface in the back. The old ones. The original factory ones. So anyway, these came from Taiwan, which right now, I don't want to get into politics, but yeah, I know some Taiwanese people. They're very businesslike. They like their money. Same with some of the South Chinese. I had a lot of experience with those guys. So anyway, this is kind of a test. I haven't gotten all my settings sorted out, but I thought that was kind of funky. I'm going to compare these to the ones I've got in the truck, and if these are reflectors, have a different reflector material, then I might swap them out again, and then I could do a video on them. So the thing is that for me is for it to be bright. So anyway, since I'm talking to you, I did get another box today. So, well, yeah. I don't know what this is. If it's another set of turn signals or lenses, we got issues. So, I'm hoping that's flipping heavy. I guess what I need is because I got too much backlight. And so what happens is when I bring something forward, it changes the aspect of the camera. Hey, I'm learning all this stuff. I never had these issues with all this automated stuff. So let's see. Cops are after somebody. So who we got? This is more stuff from Taiwan. How's a little tiny island like that? Actually, you know, that would be pretty fun to go. Because I think a lot of Taiwanese speak English. So I don't know what this is. My cats are all... So it's one box. Now I ordered a pair of these. So I can't put this on until I get the other one, which is kind of a bummer. Okay. So it's got the two-piece. Doesn't have a gasket though. No, it's self-sealing. Okay. So there's that. So now all I have to do is wait for the other one to show up. And I'll bet you the guy was out there and was in a rush to get away, and he's got my other one. So now I have to wait on that. Or I should go outside and look around the house. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. We'll see what happens here. I might be doing another project today. Bye.